everyone, welcome back to BIMMERHEAD. Ambient lighting in cars has become so popular lately that pretty much every brand out there is offering them for their new models. And I have to admit, I like that very much. But what can we do about older cars? Can we fit a custom ambient lighting kit and make it feel like it came from the factory? Well, in this video you are seeing the results of me trying just that. This is a BMW X5 e70, and in 2007 it came with some ambient lighting, but nothing like you see now. Everything can be controlled from your phone through a Bluetooth app, so there is no on-off button anywhere in the car, or extra cables. I hate cables in my car. Even the phone charger is too much for me sometimes. To achieve that, pretty much every single piece of plastic had to come out. But in the end, it's all worth it. You might be wondering how much is all this gonna cost? And the answer to that is not much at all. I spent about $100 for everything I needed, and a full day in the garage making it all fit together. I will leave a link in the description for what I used, but there is a ton of options out there, so it doesn't have to be the exact same thing. The idea of this video is to show you guys that it can be done, and not for that much money. I'm very happy with how everything turned out in the end, and I hope you are inspired to build something even better. If you want to support the channel, consider subscribing to it. And if you are a true BIMMERHEAD, you will definitely find interesting some of the merch we have. Yep, that's right. We have t-shirts, hoodies, and even phone cases. You can find the link in the description. Thank you for watching.